Tactical. Today's subject is the G43, Glock 43. As always, when you come across a weapon, you're handling a weapon, always make sure that the action is open, no bullets in the chamber, for your safety and the safety of others. The G43, it is not the G43X, even though they're both on the same platform, but it's not the same weapon. The G43, like the G43X, is chambered in 9mm parabellum. The magazine is got two 6-round magazines. It comes with speed loader, the box. So let's get more into details about the G43. The G43's barrel is 3.41 inches in length. The G43 unloaded comes in at 1 pound. Today. Here we go. This thing is acting up now. It comes in a 1 pound, 1/8 of an ounce. The empty mag comes in at 1 ounce 3/4. A full mag comes in at 4 ounces 1/4. A full mag, the G43 with a full mag without one in the chamber comes in at 1 pound 4.5 ounces. Like the actions are rare, weapon is safe, it's open. So the G43 has a slim grip. Not only does it have a slim grip, it's a Glock. It's easy to clean, just like every other Glock. It has a safety action, meaning the safety is in the trigger. It doesn't have an outside physical trigger. Not trigger, safety. Some people ask, how come some of the Glocks don't have a safe? They do have a safe. Besides this one here, it's in the trigger. It doesn't have a physical safe on the outside. Like I said, it's very easy to clean. It's under $500. It was highly anticipated. It's finally here. And some other cons about the G43 is that it does not have a Picatinny rail. The trigger, it's a little heavy. It is not for large hands or people with large hands, because as you can see, my pinky is hanging off. But I wanted something for concealed carry. I wasn't looking for something for comfort, something to walk around with it in my hands all day long. It's for something for close quarters, just in case. That it's better to have and not need it than to need it and not have it. Another con is the magazine capacity. It's limited to 6 rounds and 1 in the chamber. And that's about it about the G43. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please write them in the comment section. If you haven't done so, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.